and we were seeing the properties of ray of light. Okay, three properties we have seen. That Wait a minute. Yes, is the screen visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Fine. So yesterday we saw general rules of optics. What is optics, and when can we apply optics? When can we apply geometrical optics, and when can we apply wave optics? This we saw yesterday. We studied about Fresnel distance, validity of ray optics. Validity of ray optics is still what point? It is still a point when the size of the object is not comparable with the wavelength of the wave, wavelength of the light wave which is incident, or which is our subject of discussion. So, if in the path of that light ray, whose wavelength is comparable with the object, then we will see interference and we will also see diffraction, which we cannot explain by geometry, which we cannot explain with the help of geometrical principles, because the ray of light will not remain a straight line. Then it will bend. It will bend as per the wavelength and all these things, and we will analyze that separately in our next chapter, that is wave optics. For now, we are just studying that if the size of the object is comparable with the uh, lambda, if a is the size of object and it is comparable with the lambda, then we will be not using geometrical optics. In geometrical optics, light rays is strictly a straight line. It is what? It is nothing but path of the transfer of energy of light. Then after that, we came upon the properties of light rays. We saw that light rays, they travel in a straight line, that is called rectilinear propagation of light. Speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And light is an electromagnetic radiation. It
Amma?
is an electromagnetic wave. See, now here one thing I would like to clear. What is this electromagnetic wave? What is this electromagnetic wave? If you know something about electron, then, or anything about the charges, it is the property of a charge that when a charge is stationary, let me write it down. Yes, yes. When a charge is stationary, then what? Then only electric field is produced out of it. Electric field is produced from it. In what manner? Like if it is a positive charge, then the electric field will always be directed in outward direction, like this. Electric field, it will originate from the positive charge and it will end at the negative charge. Electric field will end at the negative charge. Okay, like this. So this is what, when charge is stationary. When charge is in motion, when
Amma?
charge is in motion. Motion, by motion, what do we mean here? By motion, we mean constant velocity, constant speed, we can say. Okay. When it is, when the charge is in motion, then what will happen? Constant, wait a minute, write down velocity, not speed. When charge is in motion, constant velocity, then what will happen? It will produce electric as well as magnetic effect. It will produce electric as well as magnetic field. Magnetic field is denoted by B vector. Electric as well as magnetic field it will produce. Why? Because whenever a charge is in motion, it will constitute electric current. And whenever an electric current flows through a wire, then according to right hand thumb rule, we can get the magnetic field. we will be able to get the magnetic field like this. Okay, point the point your thumb in the direction of current. This is the current I, and curl your fingers. Your the direction of curling of your fingers will give you the direction of electric current. Okay, no, so not electric current will give you the direction of magnetic field. This is magnetic field. Electric current is flowing in this direction, and because of this current, magnetic field will be in this circular perpendicular circle. Okay, in this direction. And whenever the charge is acceleration, whenever the charge is in acceleration, accelerated charge, what will happen when the charge is in acceleration? Accelerated charge will produce electromagnetic waves. See, this charge was here. This charge was producing electric field like this. This was electric field, okay? And this is magnetic field. These concentric circles is magnetic field. They both are like this. But whenever this charge is accelerated, it will produce electromagnetic field, electromagnetic wave in this manner. The field is now intermingled with one another. This diagram we have already seen. Okay, magnetic field will be produced like this. The diagram we have seen already. This is magnetic field and this is electric field, and this is the velocity of the wave. Okay, now have you ever considered or have you ever thought upon what actually fire is? What is happening whenever you are burning a wood? Whenever you are burning some logs of wood. Hemant, am I audible properly? Is my voice clear to you?
Yes, sir. It is clear, sir. No issues.
Fine. Chanakya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Fine. So whenever logs of wood are burning, then you are seeing this flame, an orange colored flame is seen. What is this flame? What is this flame made up of? Have you ever thought? This flame is nothing. This actually what is happening? See, whenever something is burning, instead of log of wood, anything that can burn, if that thing is burning, then what is happening actually? Carbon of that compound is combining with oxygen to give us carbon dioxide. Now, where is oxygen? Oxygen is present in air. And where is carbon? Carbon is present inside that thing, that organic compound. So, here in this log of wood, carbon molecules, carbon atoms are present. Okay. Now, these atoms are combining with the oxygen. Oxygen is present in the air. So, what is happening? Let us assume that this atom of oxygen situated here, this is giving its electron to the carbon atom situated here. Then what will happen? This electron in this oxygen atom was at rest. It will start performing motion. Means from zero, it will gain some velocity. It was not moving, now it is moving. It means acceleration is there. It means acceleration is there. An accelerated electron will emit electromagnetic rays. It is accelerated here, and when it will meet the carbon atom, it will form a molecule of carbon dioxide, and then the electrons will settle there. They will not go any further. What will happen? Then this electron will be stopped there. Again, moving electron is coming to rest. It means what? Deacceleration. Acceleration, deacceleration. Throughout the motion, the charge is being accelerated. It means this flame is nothing but it is signifying the region of air within which the oxygen molecules are providing their electrons to the atom. So that is the region of flame. Wherever you are seeing this flame, it means that it is the region where oxygen molecules are sending their electrons to the carbon atom. That region will represent the flame. It is representing what? It is representing the presence of oxygen atoms, such oxygen atoms which are providing their electrons. That's it. That is the flame. Obviously, it is a tremendous amount of energy, and seeing this kind of energy, it was fascinating for humans. So yes, they constituted some divine energy in it. Obviously, that everything which is nature, that is divine. Now, let us move ahead. Let us come to the optics once again. Now, based on the rectilinear propagation of light, there are several questions. Questions regarding the shadow of light. Okay. Based on these three properties, there are some questions. Let us try those questions. First question is, find the length of shadow if if the height of if the height of is small h and sun it is at an angle theta from the point of observation. This diagram is given. This is the object, and height of the object is h. Its height is h. Okay, and sun rays are coming in this direction. It is given to us that the sun rays are coming at an angle theta. This is angle theta. Okay, solve it now. What will be the length of the shadow? Options are also there. Let me give you the options, but options will make this question very easy. Just calculate it now. You have 1 minute. Please calculate it.
So H cos theta, sir.
H is what?
H cos theta, sir.
H cos theta?
Yes, sir. Cos theta.
Cos theta, cosec, cosine.
Yes, sir. Cosine.
Fine. h cos theta. Okay, see, h cos theta is not in the option actually. In options, they are they are giving. Chanakya, any answer? Do you got?
I'm doing, sir.
See, this is not that much tough question. Options are h upon tan theta.
Yes, sir.
B option h tan theta.
Sorry, sorry.
C option
Sorry, sir.
h sin theta.
Did I get that? No.
And D option is h upon sin theta.
H by tan theta. Sorry,
A
sorry.
option A option is correct. Yes, h upon tan theta is correct. See here how to solve this. Chanakya, see here now.
Yes, sir.
We know that these light rays, these rays of light are making an angle theta. It means what? This is also an angle theta. Okay. And this is the opposite side. It is given as h. So simply, we are not having hypotenuse here. This length is unknown to us. We cannot use sine theta or cos theta here. Clearly, we need to find out this distance, that is x.
Yes.
Okay, clearly, we need to find out this distance. It means what? Here, clearly, tan theta is what? Opposite upon adjacent.
At this end.
So, what will be the adjacent side? X will be
H by
h upon tan theta. That's it. H by tan theta. Okay, h upon tan theta. Chanakya, did you get it now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. Next question is, find the area of shadow. Area of shadow on screen. This is the screen. This is the screen, and this is the obstacle. Obstacle is in shape of a disc. Obstacle is in shape of a disc, and
this.
so here it is a point source of light. This red dot is a point source of light. Okay, this point source of light kept at a distance is kept at a distance d, and this opaque disk is given of radius r. It is kept at a distance 2d. It is kept at a distance 2d from the object, opaque object. This is our opaque object. Okay. Now, rays of light which were incident, they were stopped by this. Okay. This opaque object, its radius is given as r. Radius of this opaque object is given as capital R. This distance is 2d, and this is the screen here. Question is, what will be the area of shadow on the screen? This is what? This is circular disc. Solve it now.
So pi r square, sir.
No, not pi r square.
Yeah.
Pi r square is the area of this disc.
Sir, but
This disc has radius r, and this is a point source of light. Parallel rays of light are not coming here.
yes.
So it is clearly visible that the shadow will be larger, is it not? Shadow will be larger
Yes, sir.
on the screen. Calculate it now.
Find the area of a shadow on screen of a circular disk by a point source of light. Sit down, sir.
Yes, any answer? Hemant?
Sir, I'm doing so 1 minute. Sir.
Fine.
चलो चलो ఏమైంది మన ఇంటర్వ్యూ వెళ్ళే ఎందుకు బాగున్నా పెట్టలేదు అంత మందరు అంటే పెట్టలేరు ఏమంటావు
Yes. Any answer now? Hello, Hemant, Chanakya.
Yes, sir.
లాస్ట్ బిర్యానీ తింటుండే బొమ్మ తప్పు తీస్తే పోతుంది నేను లేకుండా కొన్ని
Sir, can you explain it, sir?
Yes. Yes. What is the answer?
So we can say 4/7 hours.
No. Answer is 9 pi r square. How is it 9 pi r square? See, it is using simple geometry here.
ఇచ్చిన బొమ్మ
Okay.
ఎన్నే
See, have you studied triangle? Yes, you have studied triangle in your previous classes.
ఇది 2D అన్నదా
Okay. It is like this. This is the radius r. I am just considering this upper half of the triangle. This triangle I am considering. Okay. So this is r. This is d. This distance is 2d. Okay. And this distance is d.
నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ కొడతాం
Because angle is same, it means what? It means both the triangles are similar. If I name these triangles A, B, C, D,
నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్
and
ఉంది
E, then what will happen? Then we can clearly see triangle A, B, E is similar to triangle A, C, D. And what is the property of similar triangles? Property of similar triangles is ratios of the sides will be same.
సేమ్ ఎస్
All sides will be in same ratio. Therefore, AE AE upon BE will be equal to AD upon CD. Okay. Now, what is AE? AE is a small d. What is BE? BE is nothing but radius r. What is AD? A to D total side is 3D. And what is CD? CD we need to find out. CD is the radius. Let us name this radius as R dash. Small r dash is the radius. Okay.
Okay,
3D.
sir.
What will be the r dash now? This will cancel out. R dash will
Three.
be 3 into r. R dash is 3r. Therefore, what will be the area? Area will be equal to pi into 3r square. That is 9 pi r square. That is the answer. Got it, Chanakya? Hemant, both of you
Yes.
got it now?
Got it, sir.
This was a question of geometry. See, this is the use of geometrical optics. If light,
Hello, sir. Chemical thermodynamics, electrostatics,